Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahima Lidasan Sulaiman, one of the group 4. So my part is all about Orientalism by Edward Said and all about Aladdin. Definition of Orientalism by Edward Said's theory. According to Edward Said, Orientalism is a framework through which the West perceives and portrays the East or the Orient, not as it truly is, but as an exotic, backward, uncivilized, and mysterious other. It is not just a body of academic knowledge, but also a political and ideological tool that justifies domination and colonization. Said emphasized that Orientalism is not just about misinterpretation, but about power. The West uses these portrayals to establish dominance over the East, both intellectually and materially. Orientalism, as explained by Edward Said in his 1978 book, is the way Western countries like those in Europe and the US have portrayed Eastern cultures such as those in Asia, the Middle East, and North Africa in a stereotypical and exotic manner. These portrays often simplify or distort the real cultures, making them seem strange, backward, or overly romantic. This approach helps the West feel superior and justifies their colonial control over the East. So, ang Orientalism, ayon kay Edward Said, is tumutukoy sa paraan ng mga Western countries, lalo na ang Europe at ang United States sa pagrepresenta ng mga cultures sa East tulad ng Asia, Middle East at North Africa. So, madalas nilang ipakita ang mga ito sa stereotypical o exotic na paraan. Parang laging mysterious, yun nga, mysterious, kakaiba o barbaric. So, ginagawa ito ng mga West para maipakita na mas superior sila at para bigyang katwiran ang kolonisasyon nila at dominasyon nila sa mga bansang ito. So, sa madaling salita or sa madaling sabi, pinapasimple at pinapaganda o pinapapangit nila ang imahe ng East para sa sariling interes nila. So, paano nga ba ito lumalabas sa Western media? So, makikita natin ang Orientalism sa maraming Western movies at shows. Madalas, una, exotic ang lugar. Kumbaga parang mystical or magical ang setting. Pangalawa, iba ang accent ng characters para maipakitang hindi sila Western. So, pangatlo, stereotypes. Laging may babaeng belly dancer kung mapapansin natin, may lalaki na barbaric or powerful na villain at magic carpets or genies kagaya nung Aladdin. So, pang-apat, halo-halo yung kultura. Ginagamit ang elements ng India, Arabia at Persia kahit magkaiba-iba sila. So, para lang magmukhang Eastern. So, ang examples nito, yung movies na Indiana Jones, which is pinapakitang weird or primitive ang India. Pangalawa, yung Prince of Persia. So, white actor ang bida sa supposed Middle Eastern setting. Pangatlo, ito yung common, yung Aladdin, which is mix ng iba't ibang culture na hindi naman accurate. Case study about Disney's Aladdin 1992 and 2019. So first, mystical East vibes. So dito, yung Agrabah setting ng Aladdin ay fictional, pero halatang inspired sa Middle East at South Asia. May dessert, palasyo, magic carpet, genie, at lahat-lahat para magmukhang exotic. Sa 1992 version naman, may song na Arabian Nights na may lyrics na where they cut off your ear if they don't like your face. It's barbaric, but hey, it's home. So, pinapalabas dito na brutal or violent ang Arab culture. Number 2, exoticism and cultural inaccuracy. So, dito, hindi accurate yung ginagamit nila na damit, accent, at kanilang architecture. Kumbaga, halo-halo lang yung ginagawa nila. Halimbawa, yung kanilang palasyo, parang Taj Mahal sa India. Pero, Arabic ang tunog ng mga pangalan. So, dito sa movies na to is may mga magic, kagaya ng flying carpet at yung sorcerer. So, pinapalabas dito na ang culture ay puro fantasy lang. So, yun yung pinapalabas ng mga Orientalist. Number 3, accent and language. So, sa 1992 na movie, American accent si Aladdin, yung hero. Pero, Middle Eastern accent ang mga background characters. So, parang sinasabi na relatable ang bida kasi tunog Western at ibang others kasi kakaibang pananalita nila. So, yun yung pinapakita nila. Number 4, stereotypes and gender roles. So, halimbawa, the Jafar, dark-skinned, power-hungry, ginagamit ng magic, classic oriental, villain stereotype. Pangalawa, yung Jasmine. Sexualize ang character sa 1992 version. Ang suot niya ay revealing. So, madalas na portrayal ng Eastern women sa Western media ay yung mga ganon. So, sa 2019 version naman, binigyan ng konting empowerment si Jasmine. Ibig sabihin, gustong maging sultan. Pero may pagka-Western pa rin ang approach. So, yun yung ginagawa ng mga Western. So, in conclusion, ang Aladdin ay kahit entertaining ay may Orientalist themes. Pinapakita na ang East bilang mysterious, exotic at barbaric ay mahalaga na i-analyze natin ito bilang manonood. So, hindi para sirain ang enjoyment, kundi para maging aware tayo sa mga stereotypes at maling representations. So, that's all po. Thank you.